What is going on, guys? I am Consumer Tech Review, and today we're going to be doing a review of the 4th gen Amazon Echo Dot. I'm going to go over the pros and the cons of this brand new smart assistant, and then I'm going to give you some of my own real life experience that I've had with it. And if at any point in the video you guys want to check out the Echo Dot, I'll have Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada for the 4th gen Amazon Echo Dot. But let's jump into the first pro. So the first pro is that this is the first time that they have completely redesigned the Amazon Echo Dot and the whole line in general. But since it came out, it has had that kind of circular flat on top design. This one is now a kind of sphere. Now this change was not just for appearance, there is actually some benefits to sound quality through this design, but we're gonna go through that later. Right now, let's go through the actual build quality and what's on this thing. So starting from the top down, it is a cloth upper where the speaker is gonna go, and you have some physical buttons there, which you're probably never going to use, but they do look nice. Moving down from that, you then have a strong plastic base with, this is where the ring, the little blue ring, sometimes green, sometimes orange, has moved to the base now, which is, in my opinion, much better. The reason because whatever you set this on, that ring is now going to glow down onto that surface. It just looks a little bit better and a lot more premium. Now let's move into sound quality. This Echo Dot has significantly better sound quality than the last generation, the 3rd generation Echo Dot. Now this actually features directional sound. So it's actually, instead of having a 360-degree speaker like the 3rd generation had, this actually has a speaker directly pointing in one direction. Now, the reason this is good is because if you put this thing near a wall, you're gonna get the best sound quality possible. And because of the sphere shape, it allows for better sound quality. And you can directly hear the difference. Moving to the next pro, that is gonna be upgraded voice command recognition. So already the amazing system on the 3rd gen was near perfection, but it's going to get even better than last time. Now, normally I can play music on the 3rd gen and no problem. It'll usually still pick it up even if the speaker's right next to it. But with this system, it's just even better. I don't know how it keeps getting better, but it does. It pretty much recognizes your voice every single time. With, you could be outside of your room, outside of, a living room, and it's in that, you yell at it or you just talk at it and it picks it up. It's fantastic. Now, this also features a new processor, the AZ1 Neural Edge, which I do love that name. So what this is gonna do is increase response time. So when you say, Alexa, turn on all the lights, it's going to actually take less time for that to happen. And that is just a big pro. It really wasn't a problem before, but it's just going to make daily communication with your assistant that much quicker and seamless. And this is definitely a big thing with creating smart assistants, to be that much more seamless and that much more easy. You want to be able to walk into a room and tell her to turn the lights on without having to click a switch. Would it be faster to tell her to turn the lights on, or would it be faster to turn the switch on? With this chip, it's making it even faster. So I'm super happy that they put this chip in the Echo Dot. And this Echo Dot actually has the same processor that's in the Echo, although the Echo has a little bit more RAM, but they both have the same processor. So you're definitely getting your money's worth in the Echo Dot. So the final and last pro is that they kept it at $49.99, $50, and if you want the little LED display on it for the times, that's just going to be $10 more. So $50 and $60, fantastic price. You're getting a ton. You're getting the most cutting edge technology in one of these little Echo Dots. It's pretty amazing. Remember, if you do want to go pick one up, I have Amazon links below, but let's move to the cons. There's only one. So this con is across the board for all of the Amazon products, the old generations, the new generation. They just still have not allowed Google, like Google Music, YouTube Music. You can't do that through these assistants, which is kind of a bummer, especially because I actually subscribe to YouTube Music, but my girlfriend has Apple Music, so I kind of steal that for the Echo. So that is a bummer. However, the pro of that is that the Echo line, the Amazon line, actually has more compatibility than any other smart assistant in the world, even more than Google Assistant. So you get some trade-offs. You can't use some Google products, but you will have the maximum amount of capability and compatibility with the Echo Dot. Guys, if you are looking for a brand new smart assistant that looks beautiful, has much better sound quality than the last generation, It has the most cutting edge technology in the processor. This is the one for you. If you do want to go pick it up, there is an Amazon link below. I have absolutely loved my time using this thing. I know you guys will too. If you enjoy this video and it helped you out, help me out and throw a like below. But if you enjoy tech reviews and gaming tech reviews, I do a bunch of those. So definitely consider subscribing. We just hit 9,000 subs, so thank you very much for that. It's going crazy. We're about to hit 10K. I said I wanted to hit 10K before Christmas, but we're gonna hit it so soon. Thank you guys for all the support. This was Consumer Tech Review, and I'll see you guys later.